Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DJI Fly footage importing into Premiere Pro smoothly. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Locate your DJI Fly footage saved on your device. Ensure the DJI Fly app is closed while accessing the footage. Navigate to the media browser in Premiere Pro. Browse to the location where your DJI Fly files are stored. Select the folder containing your footage. Right-click on the folder and choose Import to bring the files into Premiere Pro. If the files don't appear, check if they are in a compatible format. Select the clips you want to import from the media browser. Drag and drop these clips into your project timeline. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your footage is properly transcoded. To transcode, you may need to use DJI's post-processing app or a third-party tool. After transcoding, repeat the import process. Once the footage is in your project, check for any missing media. If any clips show as offline, right-click and select Link Media. Navigate to the correct file location for the offline clips. Select the appropriate file and click OK to relink. Now, review your imported footage in the project panel. Organize your clips into bins for easier access during editing. Drag your organized clips into the timeline to start editing. Adjust video settings if needed, such as frame rate or resolution. Take advantage of Premiere Pro's editing tools to enhance your footage. Make sure to save your work frequently to avoid any data loss. Once you've completed editing, export your final project in the desired format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.